Hello, my dear friends. In this video, I'm going to introduce a course that can be beneficial for your career development. If you're working in the field of networking and security, this course, Practical IoT Security and Penetration Testing for Beginners, will be especially useful for you. Currently, this course has around 8,000 students and has received a 4.5-star rating, making it a highly regarded course. The price of the course is $20, and by purchasing it, you'll get full-time access to all its content. Additionally, you'll receive any updates to the course at no extra cost. The course duration is 2 hours, and upon completion, you'll be awarded a certificate. In this course, you'll learn topics such as basics of IoT devices, architecture, and common IoT vulnerabilities. Analyzing extracted firmware for vulnerabilities and functionalities. Learning how to backdoor a firmware. And many more topics. I want to provide this course to you completely free of charge, allowing you to access all its content legally and without any cost, and even earn a certificate. All you need to do is open your browser and search for skilldiscounts.com on Google. From the results, click on the link to the website. Make sure the website address matches the one shown here. After clicking the link, you'll be directed to the homepage of skilldiscounts.com, where you can find the latest Udemy courses offered with discount coupons, including the course we're discussing here. To access the discount coupon for this course, click on the provided link. This will take you to the course page, where you can view all the course details. Please note that the discount for this course is not permanent, so make sure to check the coupon's expiration date. To get the coupon, scroll down and click the Go to the Course button. As you can see, I've managed to access this course for free through skilldiscounts.com. Now, instead of paying $20, I can enroll in the course for free. Keep in mind that there are currently 4 days left for this discount, and the coupon is automatically applied for you. You can enjoy this course entirely for free. It's that simple. If you're interested in enrolling in other Udemy courses for free and legally, feel free to explore other sections of skilldiscounts.com. You can browse various categories, or visit the All Free Courses section to search for your desired course and find what you're looking for. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends so they can also benefit from these free educational resources. I'd also appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.